Welcome to Irregular Plurals Part 2. In this lesson, we will learn 3 common irregular plural nouns: tooth, foot, and mouse. These words do not follow the regular rules for making plurals. Instead of adding s or es, these words change their internal vowel sounds. Let's explore each one together. Irregular plurals are nouns that do not follow the standard pattern of adding s or es to make them plural. Instead, these words change their spelling or sound in unique ways. The 3 words we are studying today are tooth, foot, and mouse. Each one transforms its vowel sound when it becomes plural. Let's start with the word tooth. The singular form is tooth, which means a single hard white piece in your mouth used for chewing. When we have more than one tooth, the plural form is teeth. Notice that the vowel sound changes from a short O sound to a long E sound. For example, you might say, I have 1 tooth, or I have 32 teeth. The next word is foot. The singular form is foot, which is the part of your body at the end of your leg that you stand on. When we have more than 1 foot, the plural form is feet. The vowel sound changes from a double O sound to a long E sound. For example, you might say, I have 1 foot, or I have 2 feet. Babies learn to use their feet when they start to walk. The third word is mouse. The singular form is mouse, which is a small gray or brown animal. When we have more than 1 mouse, the plural form is mice. The vowel sound changes from an O sound to a short I sound. For example, you might say, I saw 1 mouse in the kitchen, or I saw 3 mice running across the floor. All 3 of these irregular plurals share an important pattern. They all change their internal vowel sounds instead of adding a suffix. In tooth and foot, the vowel sound becomes a long E sound. In mouse, the O vowel sound becomes a short I sound. These words do not follow the regular pattern of adding s or es to create plurals. This is why they are called irregular. Now let's practice. The first example is I have 2 foots. This is incorrect. The correct way to say it is I have 2 feet. The second example is the cat caught 3 mice. This is also incorrect. The correct way to say it is the cat caught 3 mice. Remember, we do not add s or es to these irregular words. We only change the vowel sound inside the word. Here are the 4 important points to remember. First, memorize these 3 irregular plurals. Tooth becomes teeth, foot becomes feet, and mouse becomes mice. Second, the vowel sound changes internally in each word. Third, no s or es suffix is added to make them plural. And fourth, the best way to remember these words is to use them regularly in your speaking and writing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.